Spring Place is a new student accommodation investment which will provide investors with a low entry-level opportunity to enter the UK's best-performing asset class. With over £2 billion invested in the student accommodation sector in 2014, the UK's student property market has become a popular choice for investors looking to expand their investment portfolios. Located in the heart of Luton, Spring Place is only 0.4 miles from the University of Bedfordshire, which is home to 24,000 students from over 100 countries. The University of Bedfordshire is an award-winning institution, with almost 5 applicants competing for each available place. With an existing undersupply of rooms, Spring Place is perfectly positioned to answer to the strong demand for modern, purpose-built accommodation in the area. Spring Place is an exceptional investment opportunity, which will be expertly managed by a reputable management company. Boasting a strong track record of managing student properties in Luton, Opto Living has been appointed to manage and market the investment and to ensure that the development is maintained to a high standard. Spring Place will provide investors with 9% net per annum, which will be assured for the first 5 years of the investment. Spring Place is a purpose-built buy-to-let student accommodation development which will contain a range of both large ensuite rooms and self-contained studio apartments. Featuring innovative communal living spaces which have been designed to encourage residents to interact with each other, Spring Place will provide students with a secure and modern home, away from home. The development has a contemporary design and features spacious communal living areas which include study rooms, lounges, internet and PC stations, as well as games areas. For students who wish to have a more active social life, the development features a fully equipped gym and a large basketball court and ping pong tables which are located outside the building. Students will gain access to their rooms using a secure fob lock system. For extra security, the development will also feature a manned reception as well as 24-hour CCTV. Featuring comfortable rooms tailored for the student market, the self-contained studio apartments are a popular choice for international students as they offer a more private living arrangement. Each spacious apartment will be delivered fully furnished and will contain an ensuite bathroom and a modern kitchenette. Every room oozes quality, and each ensuite room will include a bed, a study area, a fully fitted wardrobe, and a sleek ensuite bathroom. To inspire engagement, the ensuite rooms will be organised in cluster groups. Each cluster will have an open-plan communal living area, which will include a fully equipped kitchen, a dining area, comfortable seating, and a flat-screen television. For a hands-off investment, all rooms will be delivered fully furnished and ready to let. Exclusive to Experience Invest, Spring Place will provide investors with the opportunity to receive 9% net per annum, which will be assured for 5 years of the investment. Contact Experience Invest for more information about this exclusive project and to request your complimentary investment brochure. Request your complimentary brochure today.